Hi guys, PPS Financial Planning here. This video will show you how to get your myAccount set up on Revenue.ie. This is how you get any tax relief on your income protection and private pension. First thing you're going to do is Google Revenue.ie. Click on the link. That's going to bring you to the home screen. You're going to have two options up in the top right hand corner, one for myAccount and Ross. Ross is for business owners and self-employed people. You're going to be clicking on myAccount. This is going to bring you to the login home screen. On the left hand side you're going to have options to sign in. You might have already done this in the past, but you might need to update your credentials. And then on the right hand side you can log in via mygov.ie, which is very fast if you've this set up, or else you're going to register now. Once you click on start registration, you will see that there are 3 steps that have to be completed. Part of the registration is that you will be sent out a temporary password to your home address. But for now, you will just fill in your basic information first. You will need to enter your PPS number, your date of birth, your mobile number, and your email and home address. To get set up even faster, you can fast track it by uploading 2 of these documents. Or again, if you have a MyGov ID account already set up. So you're going to click on Start Registration. From here, you will be guided through each step, and you will start off by entering your PPS number. Once you have all this information in a couple of days, you're going to get a password sent to your home address. You will then log in with this temporary password and then create a new one for yourself, and voila, you are in. Now you can start claiming your tax back. And also, very important, you can also contact Revenue via My Inquiries.